step right there. I desire to pull up to that big house in my name.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ANTIGORGEOUS here with another video. This is a holiday look. We're finally past Halloween and we're into the good holidays, the Thanksgivings, the Christmas. I'm just ready to eat. I'm hungry right now. But if you clicked on this video, you guys came to see this look right here. I'm so excited to share with you guys. I'm not going to make this intro too long because why? For what? So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this very, very sexy cranberry look, just keep watching the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is something that I never do on myself. I always do it on clients. Is I'm going to start with my base first. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to prime my face. Get this nice and hydrated, and then I always go in with my moisturizer. My moisturizer that I'm using right now is the CEO Sunday Riley moisturizer. As you guys can see, I am almost out. I have absolutely nothing in here. I'm digging. And the foundation that I'm going to be wearing is the Maybelline Fit Me. I haven't worn this foundation in quite some time. I've been wearing the CoverGirl Matte True Blend, I think it's called, and I've been wearing NARS. So it's good to go back to where I started. So the shade that I normally use is Mocha, which is 360, and then I want to try this Deep Golden, which is 368. They're kind of like almost like the same shade. So one is matte and one is dewy. My Mocha shade is the dewy one. I want to try and see if this matches me. So that doesn't look like a bad shade. I am going to apply this all over now. So again, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in the shade 368 or Deep Golden. And I'm going to apply a generous amount just because I want like that coverage. And this is a drugstore foundation. I'm going heavy on the makeup. So yeah. So this is how the shade is looking. I never used the shade before, but I am using it today, so we'll see. Yeah. So now I'm going to be applying this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. My shade is in Chestnut. I'm going to actually allow this to dry a little bit because I find that drying this down, it gives more coverage. So you can either wait or you can just blend it right out, but it becomes sheer when I just blend it right out. So I'm just going to fan this just so this dries down before I blend it out. So using the other side of my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend all of this out now. So my camera cut off, but this is the stage that I'm on. I'm just blending out this concealer and I'm going to blend it upward into my eye area. And we're going to blend this out with some translucent powder. I normally go in with Sacha Buttercup, but I want to try to see if I can use the translucent on me just to set my entire face, just so this process is easier. And whatever's just left over on my beauty sponge, I'm just putting it on my chin. So taking that same concealer, I am going to do my eyelids because we are going to do shadows. So we just want to prime eyelids as well. And then I'm going to set all of this with the translucent. Okay, so the translucent powder I'm going to be using is the Dermablend. This is their loose setting powder. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and this is the Tan to Deep kit. I'm going to take this last shade right here just to bring some more color in my face since I did use the translucent powder. And then I'm also going to take my CoverGirl Queen collection. This is my bronzer, and I'm going to bronze in my cheek area. And I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. This brush is $3 at Target. I just feel like I need to do my eyebrows before I do my eyeshadow. So the product that I'm going to be using is the Brow by Benefit. My shade is in 5 that I use for my brows. And I'm also just going to be using a spoolie. So I'm going to brush out my brows like I normally do, which is in an upward position. So now that we got on the brows, now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow finally. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions. This palette, the colors just spoke to me. So I'm going to be using this palette. I'm going to be using all of the cranberry shades in here. I am going to go in with this peachy shade first in my crease area. And then I'm going to move on to this shade. So now that we basically got those two shades on, I'm going to be using the deepest maroon shade in here. It's like a very berry color. I'm saturating my brush and then I'm knocking off the excess. And I'm doing like a patting motion just so I can place the color there. And then when I get the shade that I want, then I'm going to blend it out. I'm using the same exact brush. And this is a Ulta brush. I don't even know what the name is because it rubbed off, but this brush came from Ulta. Okay, so taking a smudger brush, this is like a e.l.f. It's actually a e.l.f. smudge brush. I'm going to take the deepest shade and I'm going to smudge my bottom lash line. I am now going to go in with a black eyeliner and I'm going to do my waterline. I'm going to be taking the NYX eyebrow, this is actually an eye and eyebrow pencil and this is in black. Back to the palette. I want to keep this kind of like in the deep tone, so I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's a shimmery shade too. I'm going to put it on the inner corner, or I might just put it in the center. I haven't decided yet, but I think I'm going to put it like in this area right here, and then I'm going to take this and put it in the inner corner. And I think I need to spray this brush. I'm going to use my Fix Plus, spray it a couple of times just so I can pick up this product and spread it out evenly. And I'm going to go back in with this deep shade just so I can blend this back in a little bit more, because I don't want it to look like it's just unfinished. I'm going back into my Anastasia palette. I'm going to take these two shades. It's like a warm and a cool shade, just so it don't look too orange or too gray. I'm going to go back and forth between these two, knock it off, and then just go right ahead and contour my nose. Now it's time to put on the lashes. I am going to put on my lashes off camera and I'm gonna come back and do my lip, but I do want to tell you guys what lashes I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Matte and Mink lashes. She is like a Chicago lash artist, and these lashes are absolutely stunning. What makeup look is complete without lashes? But yeah, I'm going to be applying these are, I forgot the name of them, but I am going to leave it in the description box below. Bam! Now look at these lashes. It just really put the eye together. That's why I love these freaking lashes. I love these lashes. So for the lip, this is the last thing before we put on our highlighting spray. I'm going to be using this is not the lipstick I wanted to use, but let's just see how this looks. This is the ANASTASIABEVERLYHILLS Heathers lipstick, and I'm going to be pairing it with the NYX Suede Club Popper lip liner. I love this lip liner with any red lip because it kind of gives a perfect ombre. I'm going to be applying the Stila bronze highlight. It's like my perfect go. I always use this highlight. Last step is to spray our face. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below what you guys want to see next for the holidays. But I feel like this is a pretty extreme look for the holidays. But I could definitely do something more subtle. I could do some looks for New Year's Eve. So just let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Slay every day. Bye, guys.